I'm Mark Rose, one of the welding instructors here at Lindbergh Community College. The past few years have been hard on everyone, and our department has not been untouched. In the last year, we have lost 3 students from our welding program. Richard Mann, first-year pipe welding student. Henry, first-year welding fabrication program student. And Zach Charley, 2021 graduate of our welding and fabrication program. Each of these students came from a different background, had their own specific goals in life, but one thing they all had in common is they truly loved being a part of our program. They felt a sense of purpose and camaraderie being here. Each of these students have touched our lives and made us all better. We will never forget Richard, Larry, and Zach, and we have chosen to honor their memory by creating the Welding Comradery Scholarship. This scholarship will help students who, like Richard, Larry, and Zach, want to be a part of the welding program, but could be struggling financially. This is where you come in. By donating to the Welding Comradery Scholarship, you're helping to ensure a student is able to stay in school. This scholarship will ensure we have a tool available to help those that need it so they can share in the feeling of purpose and camaraderie, like Richard, Larry, and Zach. Richard, Larry, and Zach will always be a part of the welding program, and this scholarship will allow us to help their legacy and camaraderie and dedication live on through future generations of welding students. Thank you.
I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more.